Okay, now we're going to start getting into lines in the Cartesian coordinate system. Now I assume you know how to graph like 1, 1. It'd be 1 to the right, 1 up. 2, 1 would be 2 to the right, 2, 1 up. Why is this so foggy? Negative 1 would be left 1, down 1. I'm assuming you know that. So there's different ways to graph. One way is to find ordered pairs. So you're going to put a number in for one of the variables and then find out what the other one be. So if I put 1 in for x, I'd have 1 plus y equals 3. Subtract 1, y equals 2. So one ordered pair would be 1, 2. Now the way you actually write that is parentheses 1, comma 2. Then I would plot that 1 to the right, 2 up. Then let's do another point. Let's put a number in for y. Let's put 3 in for y. So that would be x plus 3 equals 3. Subtract 3. X is 0. So 0, 3 would be move left and right none, because the first number x is always left or right, depending on if it's positive or negative. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. Then let's put 2 in for x. Now I always like 3 ordered pairs. So 2 plus y equals 3. Subtract 2 to get y by itself. Y equals 1. And 2, 1 would be right 2, up 1. Then once you get 3 points, just connect the dots. So right now, I have a feeling you've done this before. So right now, find 3 ordered pairs for this equation for me and then turn me back on. Okay, so if I put a 1 in for y, I'd have x minus 1 equals 2. Add 1 to both sides, x equals 3. So if I put 2 in for y, I'd have x minus 2 equals 2. Add 2, x is 4. And if I put 0 in for y, I'd have x minus 0 is x equals 2. Now I'm going to use the same coordinate system. You could use the same, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, and 2, 0. Whee! Okay, so let's look at this one. Now, since y is by itself, I'd probably put numbers in for x. It would be easier. So if I put 0 in for x, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Put 1 in for x. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Put 2 in for x. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we're going to plot that. 0, 1. 1, 3, and then 2, 5. Whee! So go ahead and try this one now. Now here's a hint. Put even numbers in for x if you're going to multiply by the fraction of half. So go ahead and do it and then turn me back on. Okay, so if I put 0 in, 0 times a half is 0, minus 2 is negative 2. Put in 2. 2 times a half is 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And then put in 4. Half of 4 is 2. Minus 2 is 0. So again, I'm going to do the same coordinate system. 4, 0. 2, negative 1. And 0, negative 2. So left, right, none, just down 2. Whee! Now x equals 3. All that matters is x is the number 3. Y can be anything. So I could have 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. So here's 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. Whee! So that's a vertical line. So whenever you have x equals a number, it's always a vertical line. So right now, see if you can figure out what would y equals 2 be, what type of line. So figure that out and then turn me back on. Well, y equals 2 means that y has to be 2. So x can be anything you want it to be, just as long as y is 2. So we have 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, and that's would be called a horizontal line because it's going straight left, right. So that's graphing by finding ordered pairs. So, okay, next we'll be doing graphing by finding intercepts.